Welcome to the RiskAssure Solutions video tutorials. This segment focuses on equipment maintenance. Again, remember that you are managing, if you're managing more than one location, go to the corporate body, select a location, and click Update. When you are clicking into Equipment here on your left menu and you click on Equipment, you'll see all of your equipment that is set up. Now this may be in one location. This happens to be in location number 1 where there are 15 entries in this sample database. For inspection equipment, you can have several choices. You could go into an individual piece of equipment. Let's say you're doing this on a tablet and touring the gym and you are, or the facility. This could be a gymnastics school, dance school, cheer school, martial arts school, swim school, child care center. We can set this up, as you'll see in the settings under the pick list. You have all kinds of flexibility there. We'll get to that in a separate recording. But again, you can come into your equipment, again determining it as active or inactive. If you wanted to go into you can see your maintenance schedule that's there. You can actually add maintenance on this equipment right here. If we were to add maintenance, it's simply saying, does this equipment have a vendor? Is there a maintenance type? Is there a status of that? What's the schedule? Are there any task notes that's there? We're going to close this for this particular time, but you can go in and actually view any open or archived notes for this one piece of equipment. So that's one piece of equipment if you want to do it one at a time. I'm going to go back all the way to the equipment list that we have here because you may do what's called a quick inspection, this blue tab over here on the right. When you do that, this gives you marvelous flexibility. You may say, I want everything that's on a monthly cycle of inspection, and I want just my gymnastics and cheer equipment. Well, if you submit that for location number 1, it returns everything that's on a monthly cycle to you. This is going to be appearing on your tablet or on your laptop, probably a little small for a phone as they are currently right now. But these particular items are on a monthly cycle because that's what you asked it for. The current condition is here. The observed condition, you're going to put an observed condition which might be something different. Any comments that you have for repairs or fixing is there. And are we fixing it? Is it completed? Is it closed? Where are we? And you can save this line or save all at the top and the bottom. And this then accrues to that a set of equipment, and it goes to their individual records. So I'm going to go back for now because we're not doing this right at this point. But that's how you do quick inspections. Again, you can go into any piece of equipment and do it individually, or you can do the quick inspection and inspect the particular cycles and the particular type of equipment that's there. That is equipment maintenance.